Hi, this is Anthony Rosaldo.
Hi guys, this is Jeremiah Tiangco.
And I'm gonna do ATM's rapid fire questions.
Best Christmas gift na natanggap ko is yung yung pagkapanalo ko nung The Clash 2019. Kasi sakto yun, December 15, yung grand finals namin. So, yun yung pinaka best so far para sa akin.
Ako, best Christmas gift na natanggap ko is good health. Kasi syempre, sa panahon ngayon na talagang health is wealth. And mahirap magkaroon ng malalang sakit kasi with the experience that I had recently with the passing of my brother, talagang after that, talagang I made sure na lahat yung family members ko healthy, especially my mom. Always may medical na check-ups regularly, kailangan yun. So ayun, keep up your vitamins always. Laban always. Dapat healthy.
Ultimate, siguro last Christmas, kasi yun yung palaging kinakanta namin pag pag alam mo, mangangaroling ka, ganun.
Favorite Christmas song? Nako, agad pumasok sa akin, Sana Ngayong Pasko. All-time favorite ata yan. Especially ng mga singers. So, panglaban yan every Christmas.
Feeling ko para sa akin, last minute shopping para wala na masyadong tao.
To be really honest, ang gusto kong mangyari ay early Christmas shopping. Pero sa kalagayan ko, always akong late Christmas shopping. Kasi I'm always for the late. Late Christmas rush. O ganyan yata mga Pinoy, always late.
Christmas movie. Ang weird, The Grinch. Ang weird.
Okay, favorite Christmas movie ko, The Grinch. Ayan, childhood yan. Favorite ko, growing up. Mga kids, panoorin niyo maganda, The Grinch.
Yung tawag dito, kasama ko yung family ko na abo. Kasi usually si Papa wala sa bahay dahil nasa barko siya. So since pag nandyan siya, talagang sinusulit namin yung bonding time namin together.
Best Christmas memory would be when I was younger, years back when we were still together. Kasama pa ng Papa ko and my late brother. Ayun, syempre the best kapag kumpleto pa kayo.
Siguro, si Mama G. pwede naman Mama G. Pero tawag dito, still nasa GMA pa din ako. Nabibigyan ako ng opportunity to perform, to showcase my talent, and shout out to all on Sundays.
Best memory of 2023 ko would be when I did ang Huling El Bimbo, the musical. Parang yun yung pinaka-turning point of my career. And it's such a big blessing para sa akin because it opened so many doors for me. And it was actually a first time na I did theater. So I'm gonna do more. So watch out for that, mga kapuso.
Wishes ko or goals ko this 2024, magkaroon pa ako ng magandang break sa music industry. And syempre, ang goal ko is makapag-release pa ng madami pang music dito sa GMA and syempre para marinig din ng mga tao yung music ko.
My 2024 wishes and goals would be, well, sa point ko ng buhay ngayon, medyo masasabi kong happy ako eh. So, goals would be more stability for my family members. Kasi for the longest time, alam ko naman and kahit anong mangyari, I would be providing for them. Pero mas happy ako if everyone in the family, especially my brothers, ganyan, sana sila din, magkaroon din sila ng stability when it comes to their careers, ganyan, and good health. Ayoko magkakasakit sila. So it will always be a goal for me na maging healthy yung family. Kasi gusto ko mahaba at matagal pa yung pagsasamahan natin.
Magiging masipag na ako sa paggawa ng music.
New Year's resolution ko, na I'm pretty sure naman na matutupad ko would be to save more. Kasi marami ako na save this year, so parang maganda siyang gawing habit na talagang mag-focus into saving because not all the time maraming papasok na income. So, you should be more practical and be wise sa mga spending nyo and you should invest. O kagaya ng iba, nag-business sila, bibili ng properties, dapat long term. So, let's invest and save up more money for the future.
Thank you for watching po and I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you so much for watching mga kapuso. Hope you enjoyed this video.